Life Essence polychromatic frits offer one shading system for all of your porcelains. We are leading 21st century shade communication with the first chromatic refraction shading system available. After over 50 years of shade communication guesswork from both the operatory and the laboratory, we have the Life Essence digital shade analysis. All you need to do is take a digital picture, like the one on the right. Then use the Spectrifier Life Essence digital shade analysis system software. Now you have an easy single anterior shade analysis communication with an accurate shade adjustment RX from a digital picture in less than 3 minutes. Let's start back in 1960, when porcelain fused to metal was getting started, and come to the present. These original stains are metal oxides in opaque ceramic material, which gives a reflected monochromatic shade appearance. These stains require an overglaze to finish the restoration surface. Up till the offering of the Life Essence Frit system, each porcelain system has had to have its own surface stain kit. As we reached 1975, manufacturers started using translucent ceramic-based materials. They added color, then refined the ceramic material to a very fine particle size to make surface stains in frits. The look is still monochromatic. These are still monochromatic reflected colors, and you still need to place an overglaze on them to have a smooth and translucent surface. The Life Essence unique generation of true frits start with micronized crystal clear recrystallizing frit. Then using nano color particle technology, sinter the colors to the outside of the crystals. This technique gives a polychromatic reflection of illumination color in the crystals. Our Life Essence Frit System shading frits present the ultimate in refraction illumination. Life Essence frits are universal and may be used with every known porcelain system available. This is a simplified presentation of light from a reflected surface, direct reflection, in a full spectral refracted or prismatic illumination of a crystal. This slide illustrates the spectral order of color and light. As the energy of the red light wave frequency drops, the red disappears, and orange is then visible, then yellow, green, blue, and finally violet. The colors we see as tooth color are all made up of yellow, a secondary color in the additive color system, and green. The stars across the bottom illustrate the relationship of green and red. When green and red are equal in the illumination, you see bright yellow. In illumination, yellow is a secondary color. The Life Essence palette has several unique features. The TLS shading liquid enables you to see the finished fired appearance before you actually fire the restoration. The Life Essence shading frits are pre-mixed to the classic shade ranges, including 3D shades. Now you can easily enhance shading internally or externally by starting with the indicated shade range. There are 3 levels of color saturation for each shade range. This enables you to increase shade intensity without making the shade muddy from putting extra thick coverage to increase the shade. In addition to the A, B, C, D, 4M, and 5M, there are 3 levels of gray and 3 levels of incisal shading, plus 2 tetracycline tints and 1 opaque white, 1 indigo blue, and 1 occlusal Fischer tint. Here are the firing ranges for the various porcelain types. Life Essence polychromatic frits will function perfectly with the firing temperatures you currently use for your brand and type of porcelain. The photograph on the left shows common glazed liquid medium in the cloudy reflective appearance. The glaze powder, same powder type, on the right is mixed with Life Essence Refraction Index shading liquid and is water clear, just like when it is fired. Here we have made dominant hue changes on one base shade with our Life Essence polychromatic shading frits. The shade guide matches here are all done with an A1 base shade and altered with Life Essence polychromatic frits. This shade correction by fulfillment of missing color to match, not a muddy cover-up. The photograph on the lower left is the match accomplished by using the Spectrifier Life Essence digital software system. Tooth number 7 and number 10 are the restorations. On the lower right photograph, number 8 was matched using the digital shade analysis system. Life Essence digital shade system has proven itself with a 97% shade match accuracy throughout the 3-year beta test 2009 through 2012. Thank you for your time. We look forward to helping you achieve aesthetic excellence. Life Essence technology is just an email away.